Tusaidieni watoto wetu. Watoto wetu hawana mambo, hawana shida, hawana vita, hawakuwa na chochote, walikuwa na andamana.
Hapo ndo pali nilimpata tu amelala. Nikaangalia nikapata mpigwa risasi.
Wanya walikufa kwa ajili ya maandamano.
I want to promise you it's going to stop.
Ukurubikana wajenzi ni gobono gwasege tukiandike 10 ase engana ya serikali wanigoetia finance bill yarengete komenta ogwakana kwebango.
Mtoto wangu hana tia risasi, ni kuwa mwizi, sio mtoto.
Bottom.
Amaseneta we county Nyamira Okongo Mogeni nigo amochia babunge asogotaigwa okogani kwa Bakenya.
Abachumbe baito ba National Assembly banga bategerwa abananchi bagaka chikura bobe abananchi go bandamana buka bagasoa bunge muroje mbeo yagusire kuru Bomet muroje mbeo yari kugusa kuru Bonandi abananchi se bayikire bana bangainire mbataitiko sori.
We cannot kill our children and think we will be okay.
Asoroboti ruabene ikiyega ase kyoge no boge wajensi ilitirana nchinkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha Ndizi TV.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi
kila yake. Mwanchumulilia Ndizi TV mubwalendwene ase entunda yende ime yomoroberio wensa kia ase litukolero ilituko lyenyongesa bose litukolia ijuma ase chokumulekera anemono igoro yense yeito ya Kenya ase tuabeire tokorwa ase tuabeire toikerana nabo igo ase Kenya eroti ase amatuko abosio anemono asurabato kumulekera amange aberega kolekana ime naisiko yorogongo rwabusi anemono kumulekera siasa chense yeito ya Kenya naendenga mbarabya babaraga otumanya ase ntira engia mbali bagwate obumanyi ase amangana arengete oburai aba balibo igo bagwate obumanyi ase ensemeria yeri chikase mambia bontorabeto gusanga nere Mr. Meshak Machuki kurwa oyo kabeire omworokia we university area ya Kisii sebono are enseria ya Ngumbu United States of America na boigo mumanyi Kamau oyole omworokiwa as a university area a University of Nairobi oyurabe boigo gago sanga 90 so bwagari ninkirichiko ligoteba kugwatekananga na mange andrete ime yense yaito ya Kenya asikolende trabe tugusanga na barabwa nayo mwanchumuliria Ndizi TV tugotigetisiko nabo usanga nito era somtana ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense media ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na wetera somtanda ito www.ndizitv.net namba ya SMS 0792192834 sanganito asemambia bono asolo tubwati na boigo kubwatekananga nekerenga tubwate ase emambi ya abono bwakirebuya Mr. Kamau
Bakirebuya
karibu sana imyomoroberio gwensa kyasemambi ya abono litanganite gucakira sole otutabianga amalieta abunga kyokorokwa yokorwa na endebo igo nkiko gusomera ase university.
Asante sana Job. Asa malieta mumanyi kama seite rogetu kitu cha Chenot. Abo igo nje ni mwanafunzi wa University of Nairobi. Nasomera lichiko.
Ere buya kegima asengencho Mr. Mesha kyandi gole asense ya Ngumbu nigo torago sogeri wai aboni go bwa waire buya
nayo bwakire buya cyane saa sita ya mambi
akaribu sana imyembolo bere bwensa kia
Bemono sana.
Asifa ndio model ya Ondezi TV nara okorra asentunde ntangani tumanyango amalietago aeningo naenda so obwenge kigima na otho manyigo igo nka iga Kenya ngayego korwa
Samarieta nkoro komeshak machuki ondari korwa sense ya Minnesota ase America na Kenya nkaya nere umachoge iyo kino na waigo akimuchiona semenyetere na akuru ganda mworokia na kwa mworokia Kisii University na rokerete high school ntarate ujakorka University ane wande mugwenia au muguzi asense ya America.
Alright, mbiamono aso wikirana ime yomoroberio wensa kia mwenzi. Askolende ni maetinga moro cha mange andrete ime yense ya ito ya Kenya taweto korra amonto ya mange okorobekana weke goli keria gia Gen Z kwa bere wakone kibwa ase tengenga Mr. Meshak ase omutinyo ya mwabere goko genda boso omutinyo ya mwabere goko era nigo Kenya to abere birundo batebanga kimbi kubwatekananga nokorobekana gwekegori kyabasaye ba Gen Z tiadura chakira ase ensemo yao aba Kenya korwa senseria ya ngumbu inunga inki mokwanera mono igoro ya ayagendrete asense ya Kenya ase obwakari naenda sobwenge
kwa tabia aba Kenya sense ya ngumbu tokireti nduwa tia mangana ko kare kana sense ya Kenya asobwanga mano Korangi wali moko bwatia marara aba Kenya bakora demonstrations na baragugaiga abatana ki ngo support bare Gen Z asikiri bakunyara kwa wao kora urazo mu kiro Minnesota ntwara aba Kenya bakora unamanyagetinga bari bamanyagetinga naona rebongere uyobore chikura cyo bugabana ko Nyamira barwete statement ya position yao yo tena babaira magoro Gen Z Gen Z ibatanga ine kia tres doja kwa wara sese yeyo lakini tolmaga yabo totana ki atokwani bale tuko diaspora ya totana ki Gen Z boronge bare amagana babo kwana na bari boronge nenga kiyabo ya ikireibo ana bamwe yandokara bande abakenya bande bakanda ase shirika ya IMF as Washington DC arawatana ki emisade mokoro Kenya tomatana ki echete yongita totaba diaspora position ya wone na ki awara mayaga ya Gen Z tero kwana kengao betani ke Gen Z ba kwana
asensemo ya go Mr. Mumanyi ntakete bigora abego tumanya asensemo ya kubwatikana nokorobekana kwa basaye bekegolike gia Gen Z ngira go kwanira asubwenge
tutebe kwanza ndio mwenye na Gen Z so na bei ngo toka sama ndamana either through online or physical Gen Z mbabu atimagani atabita korekani amagani abagale very simple and very easy tutebe for example amagende account mini yabusi the road network yetu telie kiwango kali Kisii county ile sai one Gen Z kina kie kwa in short Gen Z tell you against the government Gen Z are prong good governance and accountability again tugenda bakubole serikali ekero nominate abantu so appoint abantu of good integrity For example, Chapter 6 was not enacted for cosmetic reasons. There are people who question about integrity. At the end of the day, how much wealth they can acquire in government. So in other words, ando bwensi gotaka bumurai Kenya usote eto gutwara USCI kabumurai eyiwe borogi ngabono burai warura so okuwontore liense bebuneta keira koba koba se korieni ayanda kendi serikali yabere kuweka measures trying to raise revenue, which is a good thing. But now, through that accountability, when they are taxing us, they compare us to Singapore, the first world countries. When we ask for accountability, they compare us to our neighbors. Not to demean them, but I let me say Uganda. What does that tell us in our governance? And again, Gen Z are killing opposition in our country has been weak, or opposition is a way to get into government once you have lost your elections. An example, but again, let's look at how opposition has been working well, or maybe winning, getting success in other countries. A country like Malawi in 2021 by Lazarus, he defeated the incumbent president then. So Gen Z tried to expose how the citizen, the mwananchi, arabaga kweruanira korea to biya sense ya amagendero accountability and integrity.
Okay, keto kumulikira boigo aya entertainment ya Kenya ingana bere kwirero kurubikana anamono kubwatikana nga nebango ya bere kona chakurwa saba Kenya tukarango muswado mutangani okaba goko amereriwa anamono nekiama kiria bosobo muguriwa Azimio kulende nga bakamereriya bakaba gotwara emegigero chinsemo kulende omwali gwebituko okaba gogwetigwa anamono omuswado uri origetinga komenda chibesa asense melia yechibesa chekonyoleke bande akonyora chicertificate ebintu ebinge byabere bikomiga aba Kenya tinko manyanga turacha sensemo ya Mr. Meshak na tumanyango asensemo yedo enseme yebango enrete imensi ityo ya Kenya nchera kie yabere koba kuna inaba Kenya muri chinsemo chisi kobose inkibo igora go kwanera nemono kubate kananga nemeswade yechibesa yabere gwetigo imensi ityo ya Kenya
Tracho kwa mare bango. Na nchira Franklin ya roro wagare ngore agency nkete nenelete. Onyo na agency eke ne generation. Ke wonu taruga mburiwa tota bo kabira. Taruga mburiwa nyomba. Pantu karuga ambi bo kwa ne generation. Kuna kijenshi ndobate generation ya millennial, ono ndobate generation ya Gen Z. Ene generation ya kinirenga ki baba terengwe skuru ebitawe banya to karabya fascina literature ibara ya udalimu. Bana kirokere siasa buya bari bakata magane Kiswahili amatukama yagaiga. Abana bataina ki endo baroche ga kisima cha giningi kegendretega. Awa preta amezidi na warocha magana ya amezidi hapa. So mbariwo chikoterena enjere barota kuna ki tuwa kawamuka kamafu usikubali dorume tena dorume ikiendelea. So they are going to stand strong. Yamdu toka kaweta na ki they are going to back it down. It's for a while. You can manage over ne tukana ya tulia asama tukamaki lakini borongeiga kwanta ko yaro ko resign gare bange ko genda yana in generation yanda tena kia bokire imeamuka tunasema ni generation ambayo imeamuka kwa hivyo kama anadai kwamba bwana bai karansi wala opposition okore kiregento igenga inete Toma cha samngani ya bangu na kwabol kabor biasa na kitu ikirega hivi kero wa mkero hoja mugwate focus ya na ne focus ya ye ene kwenye konya kwenye serikali okora magendo based as a philosophy ya para kwa mfano tuli kera Kenya nyoro to bugambi ba focus as a obongo Kenyatta ga chitene philosophy ya wana arambe tufute pamoja andra tena ki arambe ni no kungusamu Kenyan socialism dongusamu ende tulusio bochinga kera banta bange ba to metenga kei angusiye tama ndo bakati mechanga atuma bana boinji ya ana ikanta wana to chambo to rus to seria marwaire Morera manga tane kubana ka amiso sna yande to kanyara banto kora bare ke chichanyi ya so ya de la jitene no sobia rambe moya chata to watinyayo to wan ko enda to kana generation chubangu bangu yangu watinyayo cha Kenya era focus ngono as girl education ke para kitu ma chikuru chinyinge chia baiseke girl schools kiwa kera chikora kana kikanye myake ga kre millennium one kwa nasa mangana ya economic growth era kama wajadala ki it's possible inawezekana Kenya ku industrialize so agapoka siasa mangana yichi para ni bintu binde kokora amagendero with a vision Kenya enyore kama ke wetenera ose ko industrialize ekiri to astana millennial goals vision 2030 ngai Kenya la trawe 2030 yeri miaka sitakurgon era ruoro urne era dawo ko wati steps ya kibaki era ajene philosophy ne ya watawa au focus ya sechi agenda inye ata focus ya security ya mangana to wata mangana ya shamba mondomon universal health care affordable housing na manufacturing akuwata na Naruto akwana Naruto ne era achire bo chaiga ne era magana ki chabo no agenda kwa promise bottom up I want to create a president one I want to pesa auto kwa one yani ocho chako uchumi ukinyi mondo kuruse etro anguna kwa ngarense igo uchumi anocho kwa focus ya somo ndo kawaida uchigo akiwa nafanya kuocho kana ki mondo lionse lero kalbata chema metre bango Arwata agatia mwana ali yokorike ya mwana infrastructure industrialization aga focus yako cha kujenga uchumi yae aso kurireria umonto anyara kurichiwa asa chinyinge awakana madeni wale wangero noni ga stru wakana tore bangu akini wakane banga sensega ebange yokwakana ngoroke okore gas awo kongu jen siwi mara tana ki bango mara tora ba kana kintoro bangu bata getana ki kuna mumanya taba yata bana issues about governance ebange kana collect yakobe kemuke na chokete ora collective bango 100 karwa collective mia 80% chano na madini kwa kana watigana na 20 na 30 chaseme kwa yawan bando ba kariende chakwa matokeo yake abana baito babwa chigas usejenzi babwa chigas iskobari abana kana kanya kwatagara wana ki onyomire na watu mwana yamu ndio abana na ndare jobless Nawan ko ta magana ko ta ki okore school okore degree yano chakre master seria se injata ke masters yani ne dikakunya ko bara isiko tiganya ote school so that's the situation of desperation yani a situation dot na ki yo wetu kutana yo wana luta so benge ne chibange chigago introduce ke chigana to comment drama to depression aisiko kore incherara kore asimacha sara temo correct evangenya lokara bantegas iranyara nyare konya na ki oibwana na bantu bali promises na ki my philosophy would be based on bottom up imaje sasa ile swali dia
Alright, kunmaitinga kwa bere ko likunera asense mo yao mumanyide tiango tomanyango asi obwa ingi kyagere tenga abasai bakabagwe soke kiruga jenzi abasai babere bako mojigwa sama tukama iganga mbali kwe sona ni asama ngana asiasa nabasai babakorkananga no ena sobo choli mbale tikura bujayigo asengi njiba beta korkana mbata tikura sona mangana asiasa nenga nababete bagutigera abana siasa kulinde kurumaiga okurobeka niko kwa bere okoragwa nabana siasa ingi bonenge kyabete suma abasaba kwesoka ikigima andinga nkyora batabanga etofauti neliyenga kye
amandamana y'abasaye kindike yataga cyaka no korosa kuganya baringa na bari bayire birobo bakoregas no gotake kura temire dinga bada itigasi koreka yanyi numwachi waka hakira ndo akoregas 2022 makakira William Mr. President Ekara Gerugari was telling he's going to create more than 200,000 jobs. Kenya has more than 51 million people. So these jobs, Ekara Iroborai, now the jobs will be available through affordable housing. I'm a student of law. There's a student of medicine somewhere. There's a student for political science somewhere. No komorusie kerase ya political science aende gotenere nyombe kwa watu nkiara agachora ekina kikia garanga mwa da bingo to politics mwa so mwa to tigasi kitari goto konye twins. The universities in Kenya every year more than 10,000 produces more than 10,000 graduates. Not all of them have done civil engineering. Not all of them have done machinery. Wengine wamefanya medicine, wengine wamefanya law, wengine wamefanya education. So apparent sacrifices $1 million to take you to school. Okole serikali ya ba akelete kura ema madenga. Through this you get jobs. The problem is not even those jobs availability. The problem is how to get that job. There's a lot of bureaucracy for you to get that job. Someone like, I can give an example of being an engineer. A house that will be developed in Kisii, already there's a contractor from somewhere, let's say the coast. What will happen to a civil engineer who is in Kisii? There is no fair distribution of those jobs. Another thing, it's just because people are idle. At the end of the day, the government is the one. That is why there was a huge turnout for the mandama.
Kubatikana no kurobekana ukuntu abatoko ramonchulio au gako enekiwa omoregwense Dr. William Ruto akabaga ko yelia omoswadolia wechibesa bose finance bill yo mwakoyo engane tabete yakole kachinga ki abara ibazi myo babete bakorobekana nabo igomurai o wense Dr. William Ruto akabaga utaki omuroberi bene bokobeka abisi ekiama keli bose ekiombekeli yeko ba hiotenati obocholi IEBC nabo igo oberega kuguna kamati jaba waziri Mr. Meshak asote ni korusa sole ayorotinga amangana yonse murevense Dr. William Ruto abere akora abene gawo isana
by the end of the day when it took William Ruto Dr. William Ruto the politician lakini move sana kara politics no mwaban kare siasa lakini masokara okara mwaban the siasa move sana okara siasa no mwaban the kare okara na ki to value to mwaban no trochuna bana baitwa kaba kwana bana bakonya mangana boronge tani kwa kuna wale kuna nemba tina ki na stoke tina ki abara yabaye abaskari yabaye bakora amagoso atama kube kana ikose gatanda ki kire ko yabaye poa rango tawo wala abakata mangana accountability ngikion tengo kama ndena ndio kwa kana awata mshinikizo na ki we want accountability na manyata wegenda kunigwa governance and political position tikara kuna ki what next bari watana kindo tero kambi nyara babe president na tata de ruto isi per gororo ayo tramo tiara bukan lakini etabia ya auto karuto isi kara donye tagi which means ndata geti ndata na haja to kurusio bukan no tata you must go tata you must go ruto you must go asa itu patene process kutona ngwambe ada kara ruto akan de CSS oro ndoro no yo akaro tege de ire akan CSS akan tewa odene finance bill tare konya band tare kubeke skina chaya so akamachukora kino nani ko tega nani kuna ora getigo nani kira bantu krum aja ko kuna ki ka rusire finance bill obutere wa siasa nani kumo baka moisonde enanto chikorigere ikana nani ki varia ata to rusire o vaira nini wane lijensi bakurire liga n'abakene bari toko backup toko kutana ki ayambye bakurizon ebakore na ki igakwarenge sinsi abona ukato tegerete usewato tegerete akini ku understand it ko iwe think itware inkote igaso winga bari kumubuni magana government yani bari kumubuni magana political seat ose leadership and is not getting that point kenda ba kumubuni kirina ki Ruto isi mubeho kwaretere yani incompetence anaki ko wita bantu akino tari kworo kya mabe ya o ta perform ko ka bante birogo atari competence atari qualified for the job ko kwa wadi ya bante birogo asenja their political affiliation na ebyo mtoto target yona bali yocha ndo must be barusio Ruto ko ya tegeta ga ambi mpaka ike 2027 yani ndo chenegen jensi wa kungoja kesini garu sing de biora ora osembaga ndra kanyo para tumegombi lakini rende asenge njo ta understand boyego raira nero proof na ki nero ta understand ki this not ordinary maandamano this a revolt
ngwira na tora sense moya Raila asike keterige tambe tiatura murekera anelmono asikamati yaba waziri ikagera ntobwate je nzima nere aratumanyinga babere nkwabete kwa rumura ibanse Dr. Mutobere kabusika matiri yaba waziri nuisa nigete naba waziri bali babete bakochoro nabo igo umura ibanse Dr. William Ruto onyeginko muinyora bujatinga kyalenge ase county area tarakaniti toigoro abeta banga niga batakure naba waziri aba kubwate kananga nobo kolere bwabo obija ande mona sabete kwatora elietalia kiture kindiki tebanga oberera kora obusaga ni boso bwibi bwetugo asense meria ya North Rift akaba kwanera boygo obera konya kurwania magaidi ya Al-Shabaab chi county chirikira Sorogongo Rua Coast tebanga nakiaga tagerniga tia waziri timati kurwa sense yao Mr. Kamau kupata kananga no bumanyivu wao orochenga noisa negete ne kamati ya waziri babete bakirne
oisa ne kabatu Tuchakere how the nomination was happened. The nomination has happened in two phases. Ntanga ni akachora 10 and now again another 10 to 11. Why was the delay? Nchie kaka nyete atare ko bachora bonsirimo akocha ko bachora in phases.
Ante banga tate koro si serikali koleta bakenya bonsiamo.
That was not the real deal. For us just Gen Z we believe the president was buying time to appoint the favorites. Another one, he did not prioritize the areas that we said. We wanted technocrats, not politicians. Out of the 21 or 20, how many technocrats do we have? Probably not even half.
As if they muleria on this TV or Mukusi, now what the Makobukaneki to see.
Hi. Our majority, Abangena Vanasias. Retired, and also some were governors before. I can point out Joe, Parany, Mbadi, from parliament to cabinet. Okunga tali ukuliye linga ne serikali engarari kuliye linga naki akanawara mukoni. manifesto ya president jalenge ngati wa appointing abantu basiyasa era omanya natetenga abantu abo chiwa appoint na abantu chikomokonya ko deliver manifesto ya bottom up now here tani ko top bottom and again in this appointment lijike ligotebanga you can appoint a minimum of 14 kwa serikali ya huru uchipakia serikali yae ondete yo nyawo point the minimum 14 of course mbago ateli bagalio go point more than 14 but why create more you have a minister of labor different from a minister of public service labor and public service same thing what is the difference about it about 14 pare ko baba if appoint yabanda 14 boka merging those cabinets it will enable us to reduce the expenditure that's saving money we are now using lots of money to facilitate the offices why do we have the prime cabinet secretary first, that is unconstitutional. That is a shadow cabinet. That is rewarding politicians.
Kunende astutu kata singaneye kwa bote banga ni gabe tika kuchora bana siasa. Manye keroge kyo waziri ne keroge kenene kigima ke immensity ya Kenya. Kerogo kiganityo muntu bwatu bomanyi na boy go bedeka kunara omaiti amangane burayuna akoba gako brawo. Ekera kuchora bana siasa baba koro muntu rabero mugabana omanyi runa utenende county obedeka kurabo mubungo omanyi runa utenende bunge. Bono gekera ko mokeroge waziri no muntu rabera soborai. Inkira yo kwanelingana yasengenjo egati abara abasanga baba basaba Gen Z mbona ko lete school abande university bale urochenga arego waziri nachiko sinenda
kwa hiyo unga solero mwana siasa the minute thing you are just a good leader some of these people who have been appointed they have questions they are being probed by the EACC ekera renge gava track record yana kiali accountability yana kiali is it a person of integrity tali mondoli what integrity na kinando ko mubogoli ko mwegero gekere above kasekeria renge ngana akore bi yes that's elevating obo ibi ko runsa uchibo lakini kidogo unakaba na siasa akere bale biro ko biya bona MP CDF akara una bawo jabaka au ginu gois cabinet tabauti na bawo so na kidogo na omonto oro pure integrity obe kurogali nero kumana ki ebese yana kunkolera egasigete na bana inchi banya barenga ngana temine dinga mwana siasa nero gukora ko legasi there are a lot of people
ere buja kigimaduja sensema ya Mr. Meshak asingenjo umoroberio yobobora ibose system yobora imense ityo Kenya ndo chenga ke to ekoro sirichi koli omwaka wechiri bobere chiri bobere na ikomi anima tenga chinse moti nyinge ustinza ke chinyinge nigo tobe to kurusibo yobokuru ase ekatibelia yense ya America tumanyango asense ya America ero obotoli bo waziri na kibogo korwa etofauti na Kenya gaiga na indenga ingike kwenda to korwa ne mono aso kwenda kinga ekamati yaba waziri ngobe kwira abantu ko kwenda ta
kuna wate aba karwara ochora karwara kulika constitution ya 2010 yawa basically as a change which was the best practices in America na karwara kuligere yani riba kameta kuna kitari monto kwa te waziri yani mo CS cabinet secretary awe political appointee riba tadana ki in that light because abe a technocrat na wote mapema na kwa mapema kero kibaki achituambia focus on infrastructure so technocrats ibara ucha konya koleta ochoromo sieso de technocrat yaro konya koleta experience na professionalism as a ministry akora bandatu wanisawa kuna wamatiangi wagacha wabitange ndemo batarenge politicians bagacha chief ministry bagstart ibinto tobroche mpaka lero inga when you talk of bitange ndemo vinta pareta sasa na utokura mpaka lero ingokora asaba kusirendo baseta chief ministry ndo wata mwana kwanza city ojino wabiate support paka tubiro mpaka lero inga kuna matiangi ya chuo cha ndoche matiangi ya korete as chief ministry as well. He was not a politician, he was a performer. So, orongega yensiba ete mwambio ito ruto dibagalibia. Dio korua dio kubate constitution taba ka kurua mabaga as political affiliates bae. And that at the in technocrat as question chibamo call. So he's losing a very good chance. Asokora kwane, he lost a very good opportunity. Yara kogara, ata yu nombari wa kumatena kinta o kwenye tenta kata chukura chinga naika. Endini baga, are koro kotek, are koro ira, endanya koro kinaki, ya, abana babaroli. Nakabaroli kamba kwa regas. Inare te technocrat, abaya mabagari, banya kwa kurachi ministry chief. It doesn't matter na ki. It doesn't matter now what experience or what experience cultural profession because once you are there kuna matenya ba tabakara sote misikiria sote tata the team to begin the chipol siria nyore toro are implemented and so kuriga ni chiga singe kala chigo tanga so sensiete ya Kenya on as advertisement at least a qualification for the highest job so kuna ba got at least in terms of qualifications. Igoyo CS yana chawo ngani goroga ari kaichare professional. Aba tabwa tense ya nyeza kina bantaba so era went just for more skill source shiri. And then I would deliver the people. Yeah, okana ki corroborate the advertisement they don't see a job government positions, high rank positions. Original qualification they are very high, have a lot of experience, a lot of experience. If you watch the position in Chiga, someone here, Lutare Puida, Ave Cabanto, very specialized in that field, as a field. So, as a Korakwane, you lose the opportunity, and Yasana, Yar Mokonya are politically accountable, as a madam, Chodatas of Hamidwai.
Okay, tu ucha sense.
Ni jensiwa wokire, de kanisana aruna ki achakire kuboka na ro ndana kuria magana igeri muri chongire uye inde ta chongire uye. Ako tebi. Ako the political class orwa tene tumo ye goye yani esave siga ko tene ki ya korogo chodio uye. Ye kase so kubokire ra uye, agensia wala pa kubatrana. Ndo tare go chotwana morembe ko para na tagit.
Alright, erebuya kigima kingo cha sense mo ya Mr. Kamau Wasengento nere no mumanyi weri chiko sino mworo kigwa ase skuru elia yo eri chiko musana nere ndrete asante banga umuntu obereka kubutu wazire na kugwatika na lichiko na abega ko iranigwa na bwandate okuiranigwa kugwatika na lichiko nkiri chiko lyote abande mono igore umuntu kubutu na bwe otene ni wasogora yo wazire
tucha kiringa abantu abakoreyo gasi bakoreyo gasi based on the constitution. A constitution nakiye whatever. What are the qualification first? The basic one is you must have be a person of integrity. Obo muntu obwate chingenje chingi. The question of dismissal in Article 152 Ostora Tevanga, why were they dismissed? A gazette notice Moraia they were dismissed because of lack of transparency, accountability. Abande baragoronge mbabuwa ti uwezo yokora. Ba the good governance skills. Iyo kenyene ekorokinga they have showed how they are not in line with that chapter 6. So that enough ekaba ekorokinga ekonyalikananga barusi bwasi bwali. on the buensi asa serikali uruhusiwa asekerogo is as equal as being impeached. Tutakiri kulingana. So abayiranete kulingana n'eli chiko batakiri kulingana.
All right kwa tebanga kubwatekana n'eli chiko mbagwanreti kulana tubo cha asensemo yao Mr. Meshaka boigo kurwa asensemo ya anemono ekrocha andrete imense yaito ya Kenya tokaranga omurai wo mubwazi Raila Odinga obeire gago kirake kolende naende nabagagwe gagwe soki kigima zani nemono babete bakororokana nomurai gwense Dr. William Ruto anemono tinga kirale kobekese asumuswada uria o IEBC atebanga bono tuachakire chinkwana nga agatebanga teto chake chinkwana tona kinga tuabeire tokoleta abakenya bonsi amo kolende engana yabete gocha nigoro yo yaba Kenya naba waziri kuruwa seki ya makiria kia ODM gochoro bari babunge tubwate Opiyo Wandayi oyo renge omubunge kuruwa seki nsemo chiri cha Ugenya tugatwara John Mbadi nigo are omunyakiro gogwe kia makia ODM kolondo ro mubungo mochore tubwate Ali Hassan Joho oyo kabero mugavana Mombasa akabaga gochoro sekero kirina boigo Wycliffe Ambetso Paranya oyoromo governor Okakamega akabaga wachorwa boigo ase obuwaziri bulia bwa Dr. William Ruto inkirabe ukwanera nemono orogendo rumurai bwo mubwazi Raila Odinga na boigo ebikorokia barai aba ba ODM bono gosoa ase ekamati area yaba waziri
ikina tawe ababe sangeret Raila na wale wanasibiwaso yatase serikali ODM ene generation yawe ya sangeret pagaswamo jensi bara ready na wale turuma ya jensi diaspora na a lot of people pare Kenya gabu bawo chukubati kutawa spiro 2027 kwenye bawo ikoro watarabuka yo kanyara kino mochane tore ngoro na kiwono yobuye bageta lakini kabwe sangreria mo yako baraisi pare kwa tutabons. I'm looking forward to have a new crop of leadership 2027 when they will talk about rural think akiyetarai also bon no montuna job ingi job karate ke misra tu ya tourism ya mangana minerals ingi job karate ke knowledge kia bwate as ministerial mbali na wata lakini hawata experience na nini lakini usukuri gele bantu bari bamnyoka technical bakeba if no so bad they go to so mutayo para tena ki of protect the people chega si serikali ya mayabo no protect the lives aso chakwa bamo onetero kwani leo kumaba bantu ba protect ba sero onetero kwani de ikoleo kubati amangana ya police brutality apura yo dia ba yare kana ki na kiba ka ni mutu na kiba na mutu motara nyora ngayo ko pa ka kere ngende ke tangen yo kala nyara ki ngayo ko ngai tu aba chanera ngamo ba chanera na ba ni ga first things first okay ina to kala tu ke na ba korega na ga compensate chi family chi cha sirre tu ya te va go state funerals ya te va tine ku aso tine ko ku ya na va to ke te va tu tira sengoreri ya kware na va te kala ento ya to ra kia va na njina ki to serious about this thing Raila na va to ku chitna le ro push for justice for the victims va brutality police brutality ito ta kiro job na mo ambuense instead of protect lives ito ra cha private of protect the buildings is complaining and whining or ya parliament kwa sababu ito mai ta kina boranya ni propaganda na bantu baya basa ndete ndo banya njira yo kanya to yo wita bana baba ke troja ko wine about it ka tema utumeka divide and rule ikira bana kwa andamana kuma tena ki bintambiri boronge pata mo divide wala kwa tv asala Nairobi hata na kiwa tupata to kre biasa andamana yakra di to kole ki ocha ya so that's divide and rule. So he's focusing on protecting business as a priority. priority than protecting their lives. So one of the foreign now I think Yamono, I'm standing the people. The United Position Yomugambito Onyonka. Senator Nyonka Otene Sana Kwana Unaki Awe Echo the position at diaspora. So the positioning Yawa Kenya and I like it because is a good whistleblower. Every time I'm gonna take a warning. Lakini wamzalo kwenye kana, lakini nyonga na ikitoko kwa soki amangana yumapem. So iwe aso bengi political class teyo amo ya pruna ki teyo amna common mwananchi. Iwe anonyole wadana bottom up. I think it was angretic, but the Rocham is a sinking ship. The common saying, the power of Panavonega, and the politician of Kwana, but about the key. ODM Vonega, Kenya Kwanza is a sinking ship.
Okay, yes. Tuko cha sema ya Mr. Mumani. Umure Mungu Azimio Raila Odinga na bada ko gwatu kali ko statement it ko rate banga. Mara mumbara ba so ko gwatu no se coalition ne serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Kolende igento bakanetinga aba Kenya bali babete vago oterero bose vago itotinga kichiria chokorobeka na litanga ne bara vago akano babatara ba so ase chingwana ne serikali. Ayoro chinga umura iwo mugwa Azimio Raila Odinga ngotebiara aba Kenya kene.
Bad. Raila, all governments, chiria averega kutoka siasa. Etera toranya ko ire kirogo. Nkonyo hali ntera yako so serikali. This was an opportunity you mura iwenze ko change kulingana na wananchi batagete. But take advantage of the situation. Then opposition now, because James is the official opposition, the then opposition took advantage. Because no nyolenga kibale ku campaign ngakeli Azimio na bande ngakia Kenya Kwanza mora yuna jo gakanyete arojinga ba ko boiga obere minister mbadi yaro manyene over the weekend na bete awadanga kangera ne minister ring kona ne minister subject to approval by the National Assembly the minister. So all along I believe Raila Gabira to make about 90 but we're going to support for personal benefit. Yes. Again, the kind of voting ODM members, you have a opposition, you have also a before what I said, Mondona bad. I think against corruption. Very strong about against corruption. Now, corruption oscillates around treasury. A manifesto ya Azimio ya Kenya Kwanza hazikuwa zinapatana. Hivi alenga tofauti. Na kieko tiko nyarekana bona mbadi oyo olengokane manifesto atiko ni implement. Na kieko nyarekana again taking quite a support all along. You have been differing in terms of ideology. Ono na kieko nyarekana nganaye okoewe kiroge ikyo to change corruption. To enda so yo ndogoro kunga opio andai. Taxation is some after from 8%, that is VAT. Yeah, better double. Opio andai is on record being against or even Ministry of Energy. Still, the issue about taxation is there. Will the same Opio andai implement that?
So mrewense Dr. William Ruto abetote balit kulikolonga ni gotua bale tetamo nilimetokonya neno no waka na sama deni yake Kenya bwate na wewe kini uchumi yetu.
Ama deni ya ina ajeni siya kuboli. Audit ya madeni ya. Ntoranye yego mpaka saa hii. Amanya kwa endanga hapo inje task force. Ego kara the audit of the debt. There is a body constitutionally at the auditing of the debt at a report. So all these are just scheming and political mind games instead of good governance.
Montemurelia Ondizi TV ni watu kusanga nere Mr. Meshak Machuki na boigo Mr. Mumanyi Kamau Mumanyi Kamau ni gare omoro kiwa se skuru elia Yerichiko University ya Nairobi na boigo Mr. Meshak Machuki nigo ale igaro omoro nigara kabire omoro kiwa se oso omoro kia University elia ya osonga sibono igakora emirimo asenseria ya United States of America. Asiyoneka watavinga na usanganita sontira yumtandao oito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, asense media YouTube Ndizi TV News, atera somtareto www.ndizitv.net. Ase tiangutora rango marababa waso imimuro berwensa kimambi ya abono. Lojenga Ben Andrew wakirebuya ndani mpaka mwisho embodi ya Mosensema from Mosensema King Point niko ndani na boy gondo chinga pinapita Omari Unelo moja Jeria Kirugo Denizo Onyanja Nyantaro are watching live. Amos Martin from Saudi Arabia na ndatuko tumuro berwensakia almost oliwege so watching live kurwa Nakuru City kirandi Dennis from Nakuru City Nero yugo igo ndatuko tumuro berio wensakia ndo chenga Helen Musau awatebanga good job Frank, proud of you. Roselida Nyaboke tunawapata vyema kutoka hapa Minnesota. Gen C ongeza sauti, hongera stabilize our country, this is your time to shine. Na la sivyo wasalimie how corrupt leader anguka nayo. Mr. Mesha King engana endrete ko gendra imezi ya Kenya nimono asemono engana to tebanga ere trending tebanga anguka nayo kire ende bakuguna kerokyo dochinga Roselida Nyaboke. Yes agote Roselida Daktari Mesha katenga hona otebrenga ogosalute kigima otebanga okoire chingo bikigima sengenjo yemerebe mbiya wakorate nga mwalimu Daktari Meshaki koranga nigene tukubate noche boigo Endo Radio tebanga mbele kabisa wakuu nyuma hadi mwisho ngatenga oyo John Kibati onitukuwa tumuroberi wensakia ase emambi ija abone gatia barawe sonyo muroberi wensakia ase kolende tokoranga maiga ya ODM korokananga ya soya serikali omatento gwate obo mugwa Azimio na boigo ogwale kwa melelia neke na obo mugoli wa Kenya Kwanza ekyo Kenya Kwanza yalikoragwa na Dr. William Ruto, Azimio koragwa na ekora una Raila Amolo Odinga ikatwara ebyama ikiama kia ODM Wiper tukatwara na Kenya na boigo sense mwende tukatwara nikiama kiria DAP Kenya gatie byama binde byabete bikoba senseme ko mbele serikali kolende litukolingoro ensemo ya Wiper Jubilee DAP Kenya mbabete bawe soki bete banga barabu bali gochiko so ase serikali na ende bali gochiko akoboko egitambo kerokiga tia bali ko ODM go so ase serikali ikiama keria kiana Kenya eteba baroba abere bawe Russia ase obomo bolia bwa Azimio na kiroche gochia sama tukabosyo ensemeye kwa mbele ya serikali so opposition nechi gutwara chinguru ase ebunge na wego nechi ndoje gutwara onde kwenzi kwa egirana abakenya Meshak
ya sama onia nena ina protokoli babo Azimio wako na Kalonzo tewa Mada Karua tewa Jubilee bali was bale ma any generation ya they served their time inkeina bone gajen zimbatagati anything to do with this generation ekine kwatara understand ki what this movement is about koroche barata about na ki very leaderless very fearless very faceless it means like they want to start on a clean state yani yataki yongo tabase kusema ki bataka tuko chaka kuwe zero baga chobunye na bari kwategera anda bangi ko diaspora wala kwategera ensiba tanaki bade to chaka ku zero tora ba tanaki mbagwa tilida oguna mbagwa tiplan mbagwa tiplan ya akibone ndwate kora ruperi bagana ki mtu taraja kaziro yeto tumate wocha kane process ai kana rusi ba jobga toro na kana cha kaziro rusi ba our CS was very kwa te parusio tropwa wanusi obe ka wanyata rusi batte ko konya to address our issues Enutara kora igo na war mo mara mpaikere 2027. Araba ko bangrende parejeste ai diskare impress parejeste ko ba ko rikoria ba mpi bali bateri ko perform anya kare via bo ko banga mpaikere 2027 pama koreta new overhaul. Araba ta ko ri Gen Z yo bwate ni mai otora an overhaul of the system. Ende bate makwanda manya bayana ba muraba somete na tena ki jikana roso magagwe na somete na wanafunzi bande batabwate kasi lakini pale ose masters class bakora masters asengencho batabwate kasi lakini bakanyotebera paka banyora ile kasi ngiro tekana ari gukora my PhD at University ya JKUAT mtu arengene madam moyo ambaye alikuwa som primary school alikina TSC au som primary lakini ocha kora PhD mara ona ndio hata bila kuna cha past time ya campus chigaji cha mara kwa bila sio mara kwa hiyo amanta agency abange masombe teleke wako na kibaka ya kumureka akora mo kongu serikali tena mathematics bao kwa ni wanga mada karua babukete na ki ya wanwa kwa ngai na wandra ki ntori na barapwe intini ga to ira ni ntori na inwe ya be ngai nete I want to hope that also mira ki azimio na coalition yons mbare genuine asota na kitu kubata Gen Z tena sasa ndio to ko on this powers asenge njoto to kubara into their leadership, their leadership of choice.
All right. Ere buja kingo cha sensemo yao. Aha, mumanyi. Tutumanyi buiga sensemo yao. Maiga yomore wense Dr. William Ruto kobanga gago chora aba waziri. Tobe to koranga abantu babo chenga. Na Homa Bay mba chenga soko cholerwa ombadi ensemelia kamega ntoro chebao kwana litukuligoro ensemelia ose county ya Mombasa aso kurobekana kwa berwa ko boko nene kigima litukuligoro mbabe tabagwe soki na kuchengera ogochorwa Kwali Hassan Joho una omwaziri otenete a oboyi wa madini na boigo uyurati tenera obonchilia bose na boigo uchumi yechi nyanja bose the blue economy timatinga ha kubatekana nayo rotinga okugendro kwa Gen Z kwa bere kwa ba weekend kubatekana nga no bochoro kwa basa ekiagera tinsemo chiricha kwa mbele serikali ningo babe twakorokana nga bako gokana gochengirie tambo kimore ibo chia samatka busi kubatekana no bochoro kwa basa chenga mo betu weekend.
Tera itaboigo because actually Gen Z abanyana they are still very young. Some of the qualifications that the government take over kan ngoma ngonyole kerogeli mpaka hiyo bakibwata kolende bado asa chi appointment jere aina nete for Ruto is still a win. However, come 2027 he will be punished on the same, but for now it is a win. Or very well go to reason being he awarded influential men. Homondo na jo kero kuliga na costi ya sakuru he commands a huge following. Ogo jaga Nyanza akainana Mbadi na Wandai. As much as one of them is not commanding a huge following, but otuli izile ewe veli ya renga ya maandamano kulungaga hii kuliso Mbadi. Western Oroche Prime Cabinet na Eko Wetangula Speaker of the National Assembly na Mparanya na the former governor Kakamega. That is Vihiga, Kakamega and Bungoma. So majorly balance ile wavelength ile ya maandamano aliyawa Western. However, still Gen Z hawezi samea hiyo. Just for now.
Out there banga na se bono.
As opposition kwa weekend. That is a fact. Position here alikora unomuzike Raila Odinga era ya very good trimming because now hariba muamine babere bakaranga ndo taliya mami gakonyo lekiya hariba tenene era barama abana inji onjoka.
All right, tuwe singaneyo umuntu narobete kagotiana liri babete bakwira serikali oyo lenge omukonyi bomurayi wense bigandi gashawatanga nabe gakobeko bolendi ime na isiko yogo yenyomba yobora erire State House oyurigathi gashaka ngatawanjira raira abagabaswa igona abagabontukana na kinga kichonzi kulinde bono obeire gakwenda kinga onyole gakonyare amabaga make yobore go waziri ime ya serikali elia ya Kenya Kwanza tima tinga Mr. Mesha korwa sense belite nga yogo swa kwarera usokorana ko twara wa matobya na serikali kwarera ase engaki abantu okumubeka omokonyo ye rigathi gashaka
iyo ni shere debate bo abantu badana Raila oh Ruto tare to dia marko dia mdam ibai Raila dia bayan ro ga ba ta so dia yaro Ruto na ka vero dia ya lakini regarding era entiamo to manareti as a context ya bono inga aseng hencho is playing politics serio as agency inaelekea kupitwa na wakati politics ya siasa yo wami to ya kontoanyo mbabo ando baito so because of that maybe kare chiwe chiwe tunechi abono roche na checho yondate metokora tanecho rutate metoche sera na rocha wazwa koste jabate metokana ki modito na chore tu ochina ansia ya mwini watero monta ya wo chorirwe amanyika ita asira ke yituteka while for abantu kwa understand ke thinki batende na batana ki tere fearless. That's why asama onya ki can see comment and momentum comment and focus enda abantu bachikonya ki inkibatene ndete enda na bachota ba kana sana bachota ki no monto ito ono monto nyomba ose religion etokena ki issue chiriba praise ichu konfa shadow warming unaona they should raise about the suffering ya abanta bega bakora chiskuru about drop out abagora chiskuru rochena wanafunzi wa university abega wale university ya wale lakini wao wa champani kishona kichukuru wao wa karo semba chinye mbachi afford because what they have to move to affordable programs study program they will afford yeah so this issue they are raising chichu kuomba power even we are very good traditional key so the more this program push the people the program by the key no the right politics should be issue based politics yeah and the mokonya no anya Ruto wanega ashini kisomana ki no I should focus or address the issues of the people and not like to form broad-based government on campus yani kubatra ni kiromo. Yes.
All right, ere buya kigima ase ensemo yao meshekero kulilia ase wikira bono astobere to wikira ngai bono obasogwa azimio osakoroka na basokwa barai ba azimio ase serikali gukubeka serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nechikobe ndaruna yarenge asobomo bosegatiga ebintu nabira kikonyegerwa no busokuba okubagikana ko bara
okubagikana karo kungoroji kaini mono egende kialera Kwanza abandi bakarutusiko ase bali balengo cabinet balengo 22 mushike na Moses Kuri ababu na mwamba ese ijaro rokana president wa address to Nairobi deputy ya Guru Mombasa at the same time on the same day okubalikana ukoro nande mbale barachi ko ba sacrifice kuri aso one ODM yaso it happened Raila sote serikali ya Uhuru Kenyatta eyo kabetele William Olenge deputy president akaira na position bali balenga bandani ba Uhuru bandi bakaenda se William abandi bakaenda se Uhuru Kenyatta igobono okubutoka na garuko ikakokaroro so and again this ODM coming in is just a political alignment for 2027. It's not about issue-based governance. It's not about Gen Z demands. No, Kwevanga na William Ruto the president na chiko bagako gendera kora kurugaba because wana orojenga mbale batachi ko banere biya mbale batachi ko mukonya kurata chikuru
Rebu yake kima asensema ya Mr. Mesha kasingenjo inenga zote banga nigo ebwate musana no nebirengerero abene tabasoka igoro yeserekali nga yoyeroche asamba tuko ose emyaka 3 erebosyo ayeroche nga nechikobe gendra koba amobose okobage kanango chikobaro
ase okorigira sabonega yensiba watana kiwa maliza waende lakini korende there are so many vintane vinge viko wa determinanti ase serikali ogenda osikobara yo kuribonega mpaka osen 2010 matukuna mangaro osikuribonega mpaka nonye nemetinye tatu amatuka mange sana ase serikali atuweke metinye tatu kuribonega yo depend evinte vinge wane kama kiaona ki Ruto na nyara kuwa consistent, yani jensimba nyara kuwa consistent. Kama na weka, onyona waraba achakre koros. Na weka, onyore kera wena waraba dependent ya sabai wari, awande baraba atika tichigasya, awande baraba wari, watabu ya tigas, harmo tonyora mambiga seta tigara eso. Nere, is this sustainable? So, is a efficiency, SLK, they water all the resources. Then you say, Okara is able to sustain it. But I'm going to Jakobagana, Yakobagana, Baganaba. SLK, what was your Kobagana? What was your Quachas, Navan, what the basic. So, it's still too early or than a key. It can happen in the next. Again, can toss on a key. I say in tissue, what's for sure, and the girl for sure, the problems are permanent. As one thing. Our Kunga tissue, as one left and dissolved, as all factors constant, we are Mutaka, Navagana, Mutaka. We are Otanya to a Chogosoma, Navagana Kiss in Navagana stream or soma. Unless the Sekaya or something. So, walking away, always kind of wave come. Then, it came out the key or Malisa Wende. The generation be a colleague and the Pokonga and I carry the care and engage my champion again. Is it doable?
Asense mo yao Mr. Kamau Mumani tumanyango tinguma jabele chigo soka na boyo no mukwikiro murebense Dr. William Ndobanga aba ebyo mbembiro biko sira basaba korokorobekana ebyo mbembiro byebiseta sokorobekana okugwa jensi nekenenga okorobekana okuno kurwe nkoro gokorobose egati abantu mbaro bakwegwa akanigo lende barobekana
serikali nere kwa kana abantu patojoina sokorobekana ntunto bwati muntu goto abesa twakana twanda kuna toleiga it just what prompted that there's bad governance in Kenya tukaamua fight for our because abantu ategemea una position held by the prime minister Raila fail ekiombe bunegiria afford bagoteba kiombe kibu intuna abande ndokimanyeti etwaje bakimanyesa uri bakimurika and I think some of these things una Ford Foundation is just being political or using it as a scapegoat we bukanga gento ntora funded kwa kero korigelinga umuntu kyora kana abantu abonze wakane busi ayo wakane Nairobi wakane Mombasa wakane paka sobe Eldoret moyero bote ni beyonce pio akore ibintu yunga kwa era akonyekeki ne control ya batene serikali abega auto akana nkiera okonyekana abandi n'abana basini batamaye bani bada mbabu ati connection iyo ko bala nga bakani bachikuri bachikukwana igo tunatoleiga as we are not even leaderless we have a leader is the constitution if the constitution is followed to go to the street kini baka bamba follow even as for now as ekoro kananga ya tulizide tiga bae tuikero bara ikoro If they fail, same time, same place, same event.
Ere buja kigima ase nsema yao Mr. Meshak Machuki tumanyango ngayoro chense icho ya Kenya anemono ase amatukari bosyo kubwatikananga nobo chori kuruma toto koranga nigo abarai bale bochora abantu usabantu bale bochora abarai kubwatikananga negesaku bakurwa kubwatikananga muntu yo ngakyara seranga na mataiga Kenya ndubwate ndukwe sera abantu oje nejitinga basera abantu kubwatikananga ninjira omuntu akurukibesa kubwatikana ninjira kubwatikananga nubuja kwabasaba byakegoligia genzi asubura ibubuja akiro chinga etofutira chikoba asu mwaka o 2027
as a 2027 entona tena insi mbawati korege tamba sengencho babwati kura so we go mobilize so make sure when I be sure in place for register aso bonge I'm not going to mobilize some maandamano because it was not expected. Everybody move get the voice banyara for register. Once they've got register, once banyara for register, you want to keep to the power of voting. One of was the power of mouth. Nanyana amewana se serikali awana siasa babona inga bayaro we want the power, we want all the state, we want the machinery, and we want the power of money. So by sort of the power of voting in Luka era wanyara ko karento ko directly so in a democratic country it will be Kenya sikuwa yakuwa wao kwa the ballot so they need that power if they have that power then another key whatever they are pushing they are going to make it apart from the Gen Zs the millennials work support apart from the millennials away with their thinking, with their ideologies, with their position. And the General key, they make sure they come out in numbers when it comes to voting.
Yes. Okay. And same way yao Mr. Mumanye, ngai bono rochenga jensi focus here next in the liver what.
Niro again to Mr. Meshakiata Viringa about Kubwate Kura. There is a scheme by the government, assuming so, that is so intentional to delay the disbursement of the IDs. So far, so many people are waiting for Chaidi Chabutiso. I think so. We 2027, Bantu Baranyo, I how like before the Tiago Soka. Still do what the challenge. Nechi idea got a soccer means the water of so still there's a challenge in that. And again, I am happy the court the other day gave an order that the issuance of Maisha number giving that I didn't go expire, the court just stop one. To just listen, what's next? Gen Z at your choke. If they're relentless about good governance. It's only that one or Ira and Tabanga, as much as Secretary Reshuffle in another reshuffle, there are new faces, like the new Minister for Irrigation, the one for Health. They have an allowance of maybe 1 month after they have been approved. If they don't deliver, as I said, same time, same place, same event. Yes.
Tu just sema Mr. Meshak to koranga sekuru abo sekuru ase ense ya Kenya abarabe kanisa babere babo yasoke nabo bwatani abategenga abasaya mwabere mukorobekana ebiroro bino byabere bikuigwekana bono agento ko basabankelinga bono kayo muraigwense Dr. William Ruto libaga na boy anemono kubwatkana ngano gochora aba waziri ababete bagochora toranga amoncherio na chikoba aroro ingira be ukwanera inkwane yendrete bonchukana ni mesi ya Kenya.
And that the Kanisa went silent when it was needed most. Well, what's the role of the church in the present liberation? You can say, I can condemn me as a warning. We don't see the strength of the church. The church condemned strongly about the death. So I saw that a key, I saw that a key comes carry baga, Karu the Bagara, or whatever it is. It's a funny nafik. Yagararuto, and then Siva, whatever, the Ruta, you get to go take by the Temora and encourage demonstrations by the Temora. Aquí the moment, the Ruta, I think, is sincere because Canada can have a grand chorate. I was yes, very good. He portrayed Taring sincere in his search for dialogue. And then a king Arguapima. The king can say, yeah, Arguapima key. Yeah. So, but then I don't know the agency, better in Tacorate, which are our CS, very, when you are correct, when you are Lucio. Yeah, but then like, so the church doesn't like root or whatever, or Syria B, Grand Syria B, or another church, CS, one other Mariba. So, Catara sincerity as even the guy. I shall we in a sincere as so kind of implement with the wind. So, that lack of trust. Nere pagara can see why na tukoweka maandamano kwenye kia ya moto tulikumwege na vikatoka drive for heat by the iron is hot vikatoka drive for heat vikatoka drive kwenye weke government on track lakini anakuwa political goodwill na wategerere sincerely BLE na nikana andana aleta wasiasi abana wagena na watawachi technocrat lakini bara end of the old faces back kidogo na wewe chachi arota ndio kanisa na kini ya Ruto batega na ni mugani akwa nonda tena ki kanisa na ki Ruto batega ile ke baranga inere so the Ruto compromise the church or compromise the legislatures or compromise all independent bodies so when we are going back to like the way to arrange one party state. Yeah.
Alright, tukuta sensemo yao kitorige chigo chigokora ensemo yao Mr. Momani inkyora gukonera nemono egotia anse abasabe kigolikeria nyenyenzi batagete mabya wao.
Tara kwanera mane abasaye. Mr. Meshe kikwana ile lingana lia dialogue. New president Jaga ni dialogue, Raila also called over the same. That is just hypocrisy. What is this that the president gave what? Other to run to Jukwana. Inki kata to Jukwana in isolation, attack or a Kulingana already linked to target. Inki what different. To attempt to go an through media, because most of the time Yanera communicated was through media. We have used the same platform that he uses. That is just a scheme to correct and then we remain silent. Tukwanera maandamano haya Gen Z. Gen Z maandamano haijaisha lakini they have succeeded so far. Largely I can say. First, in rejecting the finance bill, dissolution of the cabinet, and again, Gen Z played role yenene sana as a Inspector General of Police could design. Anena mono baoro kiringa how people have the power. They have exposed the people's power. Mwananchi nganero the supreme. Nero wata chinguchio. So far that is how big Gen Z kwa maandamano. Maandamano si mbaya. Maandamano ni ya kawaida. We are not the first country kutwara maandamano. The country like France since 1789 they have been having maandamano almost nearly daily. But for France they have known how to manage between government and the demonstrations. In that line, demonstration has very chigo shape over Iwa France. Now you cannot compare France to Kenya. Iwa ntobe wao kwa mna togota una mwananchi atagete. These are not our personal interests. These are just interests for all. This is what Gen Z want. This is the lost generation want. This is Generation X want. So it is all around the common man.
Ere ujatike mato chigo kolera kurwa sensemo yao Mr. Meshaka Machuki ndatora tujuteri igoro ya siasa chienseri ya Amerika maiga ya Joe Biden wetigie meremo ngaki siasa chigendrepte bose gote abanga tari chikomelia kero kelia kyobora iwense elia ya Amerika ngaki ya chenjiri siasa ense ya Amerika ko chikobwa tukaboigo enkwana yao ya mwele chumurilia Ondizi TV.
Siasa cha Amerika inataka ki develop democracy. So Biden has stepped down. And then the commandos para Kamara. Yes, like in Kamara Windows and I had go what the Nazi Democrat. You want to watch it party very choke, Democrat and Republican. Now we are optimistic. Asa wantawange turete chintu cha Afrika tugachagaiga kato support Democrat tokana ke philosophy cha tama chiro to favor balitora kumenya sense yega wantu wata semena ki wana Biden gas stable down wata sona kin to ya kwa to kwera na España chikora saba suba kurase wantu abamenye sense yega I support the Democrats in general. Avaranya ko akere krogeju. Endo bato wasende. Ana se o korera asamangana ya enkwane to ba ono igamambi. Jena wadana ki Gen-Z. Pagende kurana to par kubeka a government on its toes. I don't play their politics of oversight. They are siasa because siasa is mfumo wa maisha. Yeah. So they keep on playing there. Siasa ya bonyo ko beke serikali. Nya kwa ukara imindewento ko kwa. Kia wana from the look of things. Kanyo DM ya rura wana tuwa ti opposition yomani. Ko DM lele bade kwa opposition. Wana tatana ki badan tuwa ti chabo jupili azimio. Ungano yo. Terukara kana nobati chingu. Wana wana kwa serikali ya yoba te osebate kana bone bana to kwa nega Gen-Z. Abya kwa bakana iga bakana kwa defied based on the Kabira Chibasa materials wa ibirogo na nini yoba kwa kola iga manaki Kenya yaoni mwana jeke aya ganda ya jero mwindi iwe kako e proprio mi ayene ne che ayene ne poi intendere che ta kamwa trese preta kwa ya ne e proprio mi ayene Gen-Z. So those are the Gen-Z and the kuweka serikali on these stores and ndete ya kunyora ubora yobia na ndo igo endana ya mtaba sama oni ya Gen-Z kwa mente kwa yeko endara mona sama tukamange. From the look of things, I want to change it tactic. When you get up for a week, the Vakubeka, Bago, Moselime wiki, so babe karire issue kete go chugocha ende ba foje to ko ka burnout yani banya ko ba ko kama to mota ko ra ngir we umyo kana we same speed awe ka kwaro sala kino no umyo kendo wenzi maeta sango chugokolera ya chirenga kikete bose to amendri chira ondibere ya ko enda ngwana ina chugo ikera ekeruno keri achugo kora nekeruno igo and whether they can also consider changing tactic and why to maintain the momentum.
Okay, mbia mono ase oikera numero veri wensa kia imambia bono ase matiga umaragova na boy go tebali chinga gicho mwali ntobali gane tibene mobe mobo ikira na imiandizi TV tuandrego sanga na ende ndo watu wasemelinga uchasa matukabosyo ndobe tugo sanga boy go guna amangana ko ba ga tuboka ase ense yeito ya Kenya. Mwantu murele Ondizi TV niko tuwabele tugo sanga noyo kabiro mworokia wa University ya Kisii Mr. Meshak Machuki na boygo Mr. Mumanyi Kamau oyole omworoki gwa ase skulu eli chiko University ya Nairobi babere wago sanga naintwe amangi askolene tuwaba tugo chaka nere Frida Kerubo kuruase mambi ya karenge entambe wikira chinga kichabo nase Abigail Nyanja baga kwa nekinga Chichi ubego na Mariogi aberokera asenjira jobukeno bali bakogenda ase ensemu usasi muri tkolea tobakane ritukoli giya nabo bakonda samatanga mutuma magomba itukuru Ondizi TV bali okutimoka tkolia mambia tobakane iri happy sabbath bakutimoka kwa Jumapili tobakane iri mutuare ibada hengia wikero itko Jumatatu astora betukumira na naende asomoro verio wensa kya na bakane iri bulelea obuya imiandizi TV na bubwansu kumugusere